Montejo Emily A. Kalumbuyan, Sugod, Cebu. Narca Michael Angelo M. Ennis, Cabao Street, Sudlon, Makikay, Mandawi City. Behana Marie S. Mactan Proper, Lapu-Lapu City. Soronio Ruel A. Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. Vivar Preferson June S. Ibabaw, Agus, Lapu-Lapu City.
Graduates of Diploma in Computer System Design and Programming. Barrow Julina R. Nanghawa, Milian, Cebu. Bernardo Geraldine Q. Basak, Akmon, Cebu. Biliones Bonifio T. Green Hills, Kabankalan, Mandawi City. Cabando Jason T. Nampa Consolacion, Cebu City. Kabisan Mary Grace F. Umapad, Mandawi City. De La Cruz Rosan A. Kabankalan, Mandawi City. Doidora Enika G. Deca Homes, Mandawi City. Insoy Julie Ann C. Tipolo, Mandawi City. Ibon Madeleine M. Isaka, Compostela, Cebu. Igor May Mary Grace D. Alang-alang, Mandawi City. Lavandero Violet C. Lahog, Cebu City. Limpa Angelie I. Calahon, Dumanhog, Cebu. Mahusay City H. Pacnaan, Mandawi City. Mandaw Fabiano Jr. C. Pinamungahan, Cebu City. Mandaw Morgan B. Seaside, Pusok, Lapu-Lapu City. Pacailio Daniel Stephen C. Ibabaw, Agos, Lapu-Lapu City. Piloto Efrelon B. Tingog, Mandawi City. Sausa Sarah Jane G. Duman, Mandawi City. And Veles Lucel B. Pugol, Poblacion, Luan, Cebu.
Graduates of 2-year Diploma in Office Information System. Abarquez Josh Carol B. Canbulao, Lapu-Lapu City. Anguilo Carmena Z. Kasuntingan, Mandawi City. Argeliano Mary Mina A. Canbulao, Lapu-Lapu City. Batanay Alma G. Cantuco, Carmen, Cebu. Dalion Rowena O. Burog Ilobel, Lubog, Lapu-Lapu City. Delgado Lorraine O. Matalaw, Duanhud, Cebu. Jimenez Sherry M. Bagudon, Salvador, Benedicto, Negros Occidental. Lumapa, Guadalupe B. Tolosa, Malabuyog, Cebu. Dariga Michelle R. Image del Pilar Street, Gizo, Mandawi City. Graduates of 2-year Diploma in Business and Office Administration Services.
Angeles Mary FNL. Ubay, Cebu. Angka Legamiti, Ahak, Lapu-Lapu City. Abilino R.J. D. Sitio Mapulo, Upang, Alcala, Mandawi City. Calvina Delicaria C. San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. Caballo Kim Go. Pinalungsan, Canhulao, Lapu-Lapu City. Manibita Gaiter H. Sitio Pilate, Kasuntingan, Mandawi City. Kapal Agnes A. Poblasyon Occidental, Consolacion, Cebu. Kasong Jessa A. Blackboard, Ibo, Lapu-Lapu City. Kaya Divina P. Umpang Tayo, Diluan, Cebu. Dahe Rosemary K. Puntay Dano, Lapu-Lapu City. Dano Jason Lawrence A. Loob, Mandawi City. Virgilio Leonor May B. Barangay Paraiso, Coronadal City, South Cotabato. Vizcalar Karen May S. Istaka, Compostela, Cebu. Domo Vicente M. Porokay, Manta, Consolacion, Cebu. Ilayon Jose D. Ompal State Poblasyon, Lapu-Lapu City. Eleksyon Christine Joy P. Kalituhan, Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. Indigo Maria Jeneline J. Obay, Bohol. Inom Jenes Mariel C. San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. Gordonio Desiree T. 6.5 Zone, City, Kadahumuhan, Aknaan, Mandawi City. Itigala Jeneline M. Soong Monumental, Lapu-Lapu City. Pirago Lovely F. Hampagong, Banjan, Cebu. Largo Island A. Punta Princesa, Labanon, Cebu City. La Casa May Ann C. Purok, Bayabas, Kasulinan, Mandawi City. Kayao K. B. Marabella, Tabuelan, Cebu. Maribuho Janes D. Nagluman Riverside, Mandawi City. Monte Alegre Joliet O. Suba, Daan, Lungsod, Tuburan, Cebu. Nang Chenchen R. Lawis, Subabasbas, Lapu-Lapu City. Mickey Joseph S. Tolotulo, Consolacion, Cebu. Obilusa Emily R. Bubunan, Asinan, Pangasinan. Olimba Loren A. Panugnawan, Billion, Cebu. Orosio Michelle L. Valencia, Ormo City, Leyte. Ortega Luisa O. Sitio Kalubihan, Lagudon, Mandawi City. Juano Jean-Pierre L. 6500 Quezon Street, Manikay, Mandawi City. Mabubo Evelyn S. Lipo Taligod, Consolacion, Cebu. Pirater Cristina P. Baas, Pagsabungan, Mandawi City. Piang Elgin P. Ibabaw, Mandawi City, Cebu. Pino Lin P. Kanamata, Medellin, Cebu. Kinataykan Rose C. Biasong Manyo, San Rio, Cebu. Responso Mary Shell C. Sabang, Sibunga, Cebu. Rubin Gracelyn B. Dorion Regina L. Calero Liluan, Cebu. Cornelius Marker C. Lower Sampaguita, Bailan, Mandaue City. Toro Risa C. Pacnaan, Mandaue City. Valmoria Z. Rose F. Pusok Sitio Lulipata, Lapu-Lapu City. Wagas Joseph B. Tuburan, Dubai, Liluan, Cebu. Boris Giamores B. Cabilo, Guba, Calauban, Cebu City.
Encino Commercial King, Encino Bartending, Encino Food Beverages and Services, Encino Housekeeping. Outcome Just Travels at Noong Lapu-Lapu City. Alvaro Michael A. Tungkol KKL Davao Oriental. Arado Prosperity sa Iglesia Road, Lapu-Lapu City. Kauman Jose P. Marfam, Mandaue City. Mawarde Maribudi Apas, Cebu City. Basay Maria Paz, Maria City, Negros Oriental. Machansila Risa and Hilltop Construction City. Carpintero Genuino, Anduman, Mandaue City. Cordero Lalaki B. Tsunami Delivery, Pacnaan, Mandaue City. Del Castillo Nancy Mariti, Magibay, Mandaue City. Del Garret Mary Jane P. Sitio Malili, Punta Iladio, Lapu-Lapu City. Del Lago Jennifer P. Comasyon, Naunuan City. De los Reyes Maria Eloy Faye A. Fresh Adriana Street, Naunuan, Mandaue City. Diaz Ana Wayne C. Tino, Mandaue City. Lugo Clarissa C. Pulang Atis, Pangulau, Lapu-Lapu City. Lopio Rosel Sami, Lapu-Lapu City. Elaylor Cesar D. For BF, Imatagas Ray, Lapu-Lapu City. EP Gordon M. Sahak 1, Guayo, Lapu-Lapu City. Escuelos Trisha M. Barangay Altamista, Puro, Camotes City. Galeros Elizabeth T. Mount Manao Street, Sinson Village, Tipolo, Mandaue City. Gilitoni SLE, Ibabaw, Mandaue City. Wallace Alifay A. Barangay Campus, Ulmos, Bernal, Southern League. Granada Anjo Vidal, Del Rosario Extension, Cebu City. Adela Navidad X, Sungkunan, Basat, Lapu-Lapu City. Ibato Janine, Tambulaw, Lapu-Lapu City. Marilay Marjorie White, Matapang Dainas, Cordova, Cebu City. Matayabas Janine S, Antuyong, Mandaue City. Bishop Elect E, Manlibay, Dumanhong, Cebu. Cortez Jacqueline P, Manila, Mandaue City. Nepomuceno Janet D, Saksak, Lalagyan, Cebu. Rena Christine A. S, Pungat, Consolacion, Cebu. Ofrida Bernardo Jr., Dipolo, Mandaue City. Pabloa Janet P, Lugo, Consolacion, Cebu. Quezon Catholic Marie A. Catalogan City, Samar. Postrero Reina, Riverside, Calua, Mandaue City. Photo WC, Lobo, Lapu-Lapu City. Peregras, Reza, Inlet, Magdalor, Lapu-Lapu City. Miscellaneous Christine J.P. Moisa, Cebu City. Harold J.E. Amigay, Mandaue City. Reyes Erwin Sagal A. Basbas, Mabubiaw, Mandaue City. Santiago Christine Joy L. Dama de Roche, Luchatan, Lowell, Lapu-Lapu City. Silelio Alvin A.C. San Isidro Subo, Salvador Lake. Rapero Renato Junior M. Casubingay, Mandaue City. Culiacao Rose Ann P. Kauswagan, Bangka, Lapu-Lapu City. Villamor Richard Christopher P. Lowell, Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City. Leyte Abayala Bay, Catalogan City. Cinco Leon J. 3 años Subdivision, Tacloban City.
Lima Butuan City, Agusan del Norte. Aligado Mary J. L. San Miguel Village, Quezon, Basat, Mandaue City. Alesma Rhea J. T. Valencia, Carcor City, Cebu. Alforque Mary Ann E. Valladolid, Carcor City, Cebu. Alivio Crisoldo Jr. D. Cabajo Street, Opal, Mandaue City. Amoncio Christopher A. Binduman, Bohol. Amores Janet C. Sambi, Paco, Lapu-Lapu City. Anciano Janes L. Holy Family Village 1, Balinan, Mandaue City. Artigas Jessica M. Pagdatan, Pinangunahan, Cebu. Gaspar John Henry T. Masulog, Basat, Lapu-Lapu City. Geronimo Morlon J. Poblacion Oriental, Constelacion, Cebu. Gobi Hazel Adam E. Umapan, Mandaue City. Caliorte Main Floor, Magikay, Mandaue City, Cebu. Cortizuela Geneva, Lugo, Bourbon, Cebu. Igor Joe Marie A. Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. Pumalo Joshua Mark M. Piragro, Oana Street, Opal, Mandaue City. Philippine RGU, Ibabaw Estancia, Mandaue City. Luguete Aliuel Marie D. San Roque, Corpus, Lamang, Consolacion, Cebu. Lucero Juby Ann, Pugan, Consolacion, Cebu. Mahinay Jaylene S. Vista Belia, Basat, Lapu-Lapu City. Megalion Jesha T. East Binabag, Caliud, Consolacion, Cebu. Menchaca Ivy Rose M. Bagong Nanyari, Ibuhan, Cebu. Mongaya Catholic M. Centro, Mandaue City. Montero Jeffrey C. Pitubo, Consolacion, Cebu. Morales Molly Frats Y. Baas, Pagsamuan, Mandaue City. Nokilia Mary Adeline, Ipulo, Mandaue City. Vizquera Rodolfo Jr. L. Luke, Lapu-Lapu City. Pitubo Mieko T. Kilakilan Yati, Iluan, Cebu. Ugado Bianca Apple C. Kabugon, Cebu. June Ray Ponce, Tayud, Iluan, Cebu. Kimada Johan Klein O. Tayud, Iluan, Cebu. Kima Milet L. Sacres Road Extension, Piculo, Mandaue City. Relidor Clarissa May D. Agbiao, Mandaue City. Sambila Jason T. Vive, Ronda, Cebu. Satera Ana Marie B. Upper Tabok, Mandaue City. Silawan Jackie Lou B. Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. Soko Jessam A. Paknaan, Mandaue City. Tirampulo Doris S. Tublin, Walwal, Cebu. Torre Cathy G. E. Uwana Compound, Lugo, Mandaue City. Velasco Cades Dale G. Estaca, Compostela, Cebu. Amore Trey Ryan P. Kaludoy, Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. Villarreal Jeffrey. Matambay, Candina, Bukidnon.
Towards the pillars of excellence and achievement. With these awards are outstanding performances of students in their respective courses and services rendered. To award the medals, may I call on Mrs. Rowena S. Cabao, School Director, and Mr. Roy L. Imperial, College Dean. On the job training awardees, Marian D. Alforte, Web Application Development. Elineta G. Doidora, Computer System Design and Programming. Virgin Nanya F. Escanilia, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Nemesis L. Estinor, Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. Gialin S. Manginay, Web Application Development. John Bernard L. Mondero, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Jasmine M. Nardo, Networking and Telecommunications Technology. Llewellyn A. Olimpa, Business and Office Administration Services. Janice Q. Sereno, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Student Service Awardees, Raymond F. Pardo, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Rex Jordan C. Montibon, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. And May Allen C. Cantero, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Proficiency awardees. Best in Java Programming, Panfilo O. Remilio Jr. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I would like to honor Best in Special Project for the Web Application Development with the topic Proposed Website with Online Shopping and PayPal System for Alondra Fashioner. Kirby Ken P. Alasan. Ferdinand A. Pipito. And Johan Klein O. Kimado.
Okay, ready, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2.
Best in IT Capstone with the topic Barangay E-Services and Management. Rani D. MP. Rixel A. Lupites. Jacob C. Saicon. And Floramid D. Sumasino.
Let me hear. Ready, 1, 2. One more, ready, 1, 2.
Best in C and C++ programming and information technology.